Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis expert level, let's look at Australia, Canada. On the daily chart, what we see over here is pretty much, if you say that it's a sideways movement, that is fine because we have retest of the high and retest of the low that has happened. All right. So to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have on the 4-hour chart: bearish movement. What we see is, if you register this as a start of the bearish movement, we have not break and close above the high yet. And you might be saying, hey Rain, what you're talking about? Because you need to break and close above this high. If you look towards your right, you might see that there's a high over here, but you look closely, this week created another resistance level. So it's a bearish movement. In fact, it's very, very bearish. On the 1-hour chart, what we see over here on the 1-hour chart is the same. It's still a bearish movement. All right, so that's why it's really, really important. You cannot just judge the movement this way. You have to know where's the starting point, where's the ending point, and that's when I come into the picture. Well, you can scan this QR code, get into our website over here, and you can start to interact with us in both Mandarin and English. You can ask questions, and that's fine. Scroll down further, you can even start attending trading for free, and that's one of the reasons why we are doing this. And second reason is to look out for talents, so more people, more eyes that can look for a trading opportunity. Apart from that, if you want to be in our group coaching session, drop me a note. That's when you are going to learn the most, and you know, need not worry, we don't do basic, advanced and expert level. We start from ground zero and teach you how to trade and analyze yourself. Scroll down further, this is our trading ideas, and what I love about this, what I love about our community is that our students will make their own decision to engage the trade, and that's possible because they have already learned the trainings over here. Okay, so just before we get back to our daily chart, check these out. All right, so this social media, I only have one live account. Any other accounts that say that it's me, you know, and it's not the same username, just report them. All right, so back to our daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis over here. On the daily chart, what I have is a shark pattern already in place. So if you're already engaged this trade, maybe engage somewhere over here, congratulations. 141 pips, that's approximately 1,410 USD thereabout. Okay, so if you have not engaged, don't worry. For our chart, we have a bad pattern, and this bad pattern have not even reached the first target. This is why I don't like uptrend movement, sideways consolidation. It could turn out become a bullish flag pattern, and because we know our filters so well, if this bad pattern never move towards the target's level within Monday, then this setup will be invalid. And if you are still looking for a shorting opportunity, the best setup, I would say the 1-hour chart, that is your bearish shark pattern, 0.9143 for a shorting opportunity. And of course, you can wait for a 5-0 pattern for a buying opportunity right up the daily chart shark pattern that you might have missed. All right, that's one thing that is so lovely about this kind of setup, especially the shark pattern is so versatile. The only thing that it can be a bit tricky for new traders to trade them, all right, because there are so many possibilities when it comes to shark pattern. That's all I have for you, but with me as a coach, there's no need to worry. We will prepare you step by step. We will teach you which pattern to use first to gain some money, and once you have success in that, then we move on to the next pattern, and so on and so forth. The important part is not to learn as much as you can, but to learn enough to be profitable. All right, so if you love this, having minimum risk, maximum return, the way that we trade, drop me a note. I will see if you're a good fit. And of course, if you are reading or watching this on a Thursday or even later, chances you are not in our community. Get into our community and you receive all these trading ideas before the market open. All right, and on 12th of June, there is a online webinar. I'm going to share with you what lies beneath. Most probably that would be the title. You're going to start Singapore time 8:30 p.m. or Vietnamese time 7:30 p.m. Looking forward to see you soon in our webinar. Till then, remember always play your trade and trade your play. Take care.